Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the front interior door panel on a 2009 Chrysler 300. This video applies to Chrysler 300s made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, to start removing the inner door panel, first you will have a screw hidden behind this plastic black cover, so you can use like a small flat screwdriver just to gently pry this open. Okay, just like this. It has two clips, one on the top and one on the bottom, so be careful not to break it. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. And once you have it off, there is a Phillips screw just behind it, so remove it. Okay, so this is the screw. So next thing you have to do, you will have the same story here. There is like a small plastic cover which you have to remove, open it up to access the screw just behind it. Okay. This one also have two small clips, and there is a same type of Phillips screw underneath it. Okay, so the next thing to do, you will have 4 Phillips screws to remove just down here. So here is one, second one, third one, and there will be one just here on the side, so remove those. Okay, after you have removed those, you will have 3 plastic trim screws to remove. So this one here, don't worry about the upper one is not holding the panel. So you have this one here and 2 on the other side, this one here and one here. Okay, so how these guys work, you pretty much want to push this middle part, this middle pin inside, and once you push it inside, you can easily just pry this thing out. Yeah, later once you remove the panel, you'll just have to pick up those small pins. They will be at the bottom of the door frame. If you are able to somehow remove those pins without dropping them down, that would be good, but I wasn't. So yeah, the idea is to push the pin in and then just pry this piece out. Okay, so on this one here I did a much better job actually. So the idea is do not push it in all the way, just push it in a bit, and then you can pry this plastic trim screw out. So yeah, be careful not to push it all the way in, how I did on the previous two. So just slight push and then pry it out. Okay, now there is no more screws holding this panel, so what you want to do, you want to use like a plastic trim removal tool, or something like this. It's really up to you, or a flat screwdriver. You want to actually pry here between to get this panel loose. There's a couple of clips, plastic clips holding it, so you'll work your way all around until you get all of this completely loose, and then you'll be able to pop out this panel. Once you have it loose, you can actually use your hand and just pull towards yourself to release all of the tabs, and then just leave the panel up to get this lock pin off the way and out of the panel, just like this, you see. Okay, now before you can completely remove the panel, you'll have to deattach the inner door handle and disconnect a couple of wires. Now depending what kind of equipment do you have in your 300. So in my case I have to disconnect all these switches, and I have to disconnect the memory seats, I believe, and there shouldn't be anything else, and I have to disconnect the door handle. Now with the door handle you have two options. You can either just deattach this metal hook, or you can unscrew 4 torque screws which are holding this door handle, and just pull it through the hole and leave it hanging. That's really up to you. I don't know, sometimes in some cases I like to completely remove the door handle, because these like plastic pieces holding this door handle, the hook, like to break, and then if they break then it's a problem, then you need a new door handle. So really up to you, whatever you think is the easier. Okay, so in my case I was able just to detach it here, but like I said, be careful not to pull too hard so you don't break this plastic fragile piece. I'm not sure why they make them that way, but whatever. Yeah, now we have only a couple of wires left to be disconnected down here. So there's a couple of connectors. All of these will have like a small tab, small clips to push. So this one you'll see here, just push onto this and pull it out, wiggle it out. See, there's like pin to push. All of them will be the same. This small black one, same story. A small tab to push here on the top. This one will have a small tab to push on the right side. This one's kind of stuck, it has to go out. Okay, same story, you see. And there's one more here. Yeah, this one also has a small tab to push. Okay, one more here. And this, the last one for the memory seats, will actually have like a small clip here which you will have to lift with like a flat screwdriver or something. Just lift it over this black pin here to disconnect it. So there is no clip to push on, you have to use like a flat screwdriver to get it off. But that's pretty much it. Oh no, yeah, there is one more connection here for the light in a door panel in the door. So this one, let me see. Yeah, this one is not even locked in, so I'll just do it like this. But if you want, you can easily disconnect it by pushing on this clip here and pulling it out. So this one is easy to remove. And this is just holding here, so you can just pull this off just like this and put it back in once you reinstall the door panel. Okay, and this is how you remove the front driver's side door trim panel on a 2009 Chrysler 300. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.